Sa iba pang balita, sa pagpasok ng 16th Congress, sinisiguro ng pamahalaan na maipasa ang 17 priority bills na kanilang inihain. Aminado ang Legislative Executive Advisory Council o LETAC na naudlot ang pagpasa ng ilang bills dahil na rin sa dumaang trahedya sa ating bansa. Para sa detalye, balita mo kami, Rocky Ignacio.
17 priority bills ang nakatakdang ilatag ng Administrasyong Aquino sa isasagawang pulong ng Legislative Executive Advisory Council o LEDAC. Bagamat wala pang pinal na petsa, sinabi ni Presidential Legislative Liaison Office Secretary Manuel Mamba na ang 17 priority bills ay napag-aralan sa nauna ng 51 panukalang batas na kailangan maipasa sa unang taon ng 16th Congress.
We're waiting for the approval of the President as far as the 17 priority bills that was submitted, culled from the original 51 or 52. And then we're waiting for the ES to tell us when the LEDAC will be. Last time, it was towards the end ng 15th Congress na natakel. Pero this time, it was placed sa 17, which means we have to pass it sa first legislative year, the 16th year.
Kabilang sa priority bills ang fiscal incentives, pension para sa uniformed men, right-of-way, amyenda sa Human Security Act, Magna Carta for the Poor at Sandigang Bayan Law, Bangsamoro Basic Law at ang Freedom of Information o FOI. Bagamat nasa listahan na ang priority bills ng FOI, hindi naman anya tiyak kung sesertipikahan ito bilang urgent ng Pangulo.
Parang mina-marginalize mo yung bill, especially yung power to certify. If you just do that ordinarily. So, he would always ask us the reason why is it certified urgent yung bill.
Samantala, kumpiyansa naman ang palasyo na maisasabata sa mga naturang panukalang batas. Wala namang anya epekto sa proseso ang tuluyang pag-alis ng Priority Development Assistance Fund o PDAP.
Alam mo, I've been here since February of 2012. Never na ginamit ni Presidente ang PDAF to get what he wants to be passed. He always had to call on everybody and sell the idea of passing it. In fact, katulad namin, wala nang saro sa amin. So ang feeling ko is we have a very popular president and this getting to be more popular as we go along. So tingin ko, as a politician like me, hindi ka pwedeng lumaban sa popular na presidente, especially popular measures such as this.
Kinumpirma rin ni Mamba na nagkasundo na rin ang Senado at Kamara na hilingin sa Pangulo na sertipikahan na rin bilang urgent ang pagpapaliban ng sangguniang kabataan elections. Aminado kasi ang kalihim na naantala na rin ang pagtugon sa mga kailangang panukalang batas dahil sa epekto ng habagat, kontrobersyal na pork barrel at Zamboanga standoff.
Kung ano yung SK postponement, because of what is happening and because of the appropriations also in the pork barrel, sasabi namin, and of course the flooding, we're not really sure of the time. So we have agreed, both houses, na siguro pa-certify na. Baka mawalan ng oras kung magka-flooding at lahat, and we will have to by 28, kung na tayo, recess.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio.